Brum, 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 brum. Yeah. It brum brum too much when the Jeep ought to eat it. Brum 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 brum. Come on, there you go.
You're brum brumming.
Yeah, I'm brum brumming. Yeah, brum brumming. You don't want to brum brum? This is gold. This is gold ice cream, bro. This is gold shit here. It's gold, yeah. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Come on. Brum 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 brum. Open wide for Chunky.
Oh, there we
Got
go.
it that time. Yeah, good stuff, huh? Watch
Gotta
out.
quiet, Daddy. Oh my God.
Watch out, your mouth's gonna burn rubber. Yeah, I know that. Don't pay no attention to Mom. Don't pay no attention to Mom. Come on. Here we go.
Oh no! Don't mess with my potatoes.
Brum, 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 good stuff, huh? Yeah. So yeah, gee, Pod, I didn't know it tastes like that.
I didn't know it made noise. I didn't know ice cream made noise.
Brum, 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 brum. Choyo. Brush. So great. Down the neck. Oh, damn, brush. Here. Rum, 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 rum. Rum, rum,
What are you idling?
yeah. Rum, rum, rum. Yeah, look out, boy. That's burning rubber now. Yeah, oh yeah. G-Buck got the, yeah, that's right. G-Buck got the brush now. Come on.
Caleb, come on. Jeep's car. It's idling.
We're gonna run out of gas here, brush. Come on. Yo.
Oh God, he's a mess.
Come on. Yeah. Good shit, Russ. Look here. See here? Look here. Caleb, look here.
That's how it's done.
Yeah, and I ain't got my face all full of duty and all that.
That's gross,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah, there ain't nothing in my hand. Here, G-Pop gonna get the brush up right here. Right here we go. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Ah, it's gonna fall. Oh shit. Oh no, you can go ahead.
So far?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, good.
Russ. Russ, your face is one hell of a mess. So Christ. And then the one to wipe it off. He wants to have a filthy face.
Well, let him have a filthy face then.
Yeah, you want a filthy face? I'll give you a new nickname, filthy face.
FF instead of fuck face, it's filthy face.
That's right. Filthy face. Yeah.
All right.